I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the QR content ready, either the image file or the underlying text/URL. Once done, use a reliable QR reader to extract the payload because barcodes encode linear data, not 2D patterns. Next, select the barcode standard that fits your use case. For alphanumeric, keep code 128. For retail, choose EAN13 or UPCA. Make sure the extracted data conforms to the symbology's length and character rules before moving on to generation. You now extract the payload and validate it. Scan the QR and paste the content into a text editor so you can inspect characters and length. Different barcodes accept only certain digits or character sets. If the target symbology needs numeric-only data, convert or map values accordingly. Also compute or verify check digits when required, because barcodes fail to scan without correct checksums. Once validated and adjusted, you're ready to create the linear barcode image. You generate the barcode by pasting the validated payload into your chosen generator. Select resolution and dimensions, then export as PNG or SVG for maximum clarity. After exporting, always test Scanner with both camera apps and dedicated scanners to confirm readability. Poor contrast, inadequate quiet zones, or wrong scaling often cause failures. If scanning fails, recheck checksum logic, ensure black bars on white background, increase size or DPI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.